Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the process runs reliably. Install a third-party iOS app runtime or emulator for Android, and make sure unknown sources and ADB debugging are enabled. This lets you sideload companion packages. Once done, download the official runtime package and any required compatibility libraries to device storage. You do this because Android lacks native iOS frameworks, so the emulator supplies the missing layers. Make sure to keep backups before modifying system settings. Now you install the runtime and the apps themselves, step by step. Connect the device to your computer, then use ADB to push and install the core runtime APKs and helper services so the emulator can run iOS binaries. Once the ecosystem is active, import the IPA file with the emulator's installer or convert it to an Android native wrapper. Make sure to monitor log output during install. Errors often show missing libraries, which you then add from the compatibility pack. Finish by launching the app and testing all core features. You need to grant permissions manually because emulation can block prompts. If the app crashes, clear the emulator cache and reinstall any missing compatibility libraries. This often fixes framework mismatch issues. Make sure to capture log output with ADB if problems persist, because logs show exactly which API calls fail. If nothing helps, reset the emulator image and repeat installation. That usually resolves configuration drift or corrupted files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.